Welcome to Auto Show. In this guide, I will show you how to fix GPU is incompatible error in WWE 2K25 Netflix edition.
Fix 1. Enable high performance GPU Step 1. Right. Click your desktop, select Display Settings Step 2. Scroll down, click Graphics Step 3. Find WWE 2K25 Netflix Edition. If not listed, click Browse and add the GameX. Step 4. Click Options, choose High Performance. Step 5. Click Save. Then restart the game. Fix 2. Update your graphics driver. Step 1. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience or AMD Adrenalin. Step 2. Check for latest drivers. Step 3. Download and install. Step 4. Restart your PC and launch the game again. Fix 3. Install DirectX and Visual C++ runtimes. Step 1. Install DirectX and User Runtime June 2010. Step 2. Install Visual C++ Redistributables 2012 to 2022. Step 3. Restart your PC. Fix 4. Force your game to use GPU. NVIDIA AMD Control Panel. NVIDIA. Step 1. Open NVIDIA Control Panel. Step 2. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Step 3. Add WWE 2K25. Set Preferred GPU. High Performance NVIDIA GPU AMD. Step 1. Open AMD Adrenalin. Step 2. Go to Graphics, Advanced Settings. Step 3. Set WWE 2K25 to High Performance.